Hey everyone, I'm so glad that we are here today. And last time I was overwhelmed to see how many of you supported my YouTube video. Thank you so much. Together we created the Cortex Agent using Cortex code last time. And today I hope I can help you save some time and avoid my mistakes. So I'm going to show you what I did and wrong, where I slipped, and where you will be better than me in realm of Cortex Agent monitoring. First, a quick reminder, we built a candle sales agent last time, so we are gonna work with this one. I prepared some demo conversations earlier today, and the first thing you would probably want to do is to go into the monitoring tab of your agent just to see in the UI how the conversations go. Here already you can see a lot of useful details and traces and whatnot. If you are like me, an analytical mind, you can see that there is a lot of interesting things going on here. You can see the response time, which tools are invoked, what are the planning, and you can also see what is being executed. So there is really a lot. When I saw this first, I was organically drawn into how do I analyze it. So what I found is that I can use a special function to extract these logs and then work my way through analysis. Today I will just show you how to extract it, and next time maybe we can play together with some analysis of those logs. So let's go into the workspaces, and here I prepared some code for us to look at these logs. And at the same time, bear with me because I really want to show you how to avoid my mistake. My mistake is I was building it all in my account, and later on I had to transfer it into dbt to make sure that it works and that I can automate my pipeline. But something went wrong. Let's see what can go wrong here. I'll start with using account admin, and I will explicitly set no secondary roles so I can show you in this demo what are the pitfalls to avoid. Because it's my demo and free trial account, I am not going to create another user. But in my production environment, of course, I have a special technical user for my dbt, which will be one of the issues. So first, the most important part, which I really want to show you here, is this Snowflake local get AI observability events function. I can query this function to see all the conversations that took place in my agent, candle sales agent in this case. As you can see, I've given it a couple of spins, and here is the most interesting part. It's the Cortex Agent request. Well, interesting for me because I will be analyzing those. Probably I'll make a separate video for this. But at this stage, as you can see, it looks pretty straightforward. You can just go access the logs, do something with the logs. Like you can parse the JSON fairly easily. Now, to save you time, I'm going to show what I didn't expect to happen, and I really want to know, would you expect this to happen? For this, I'll just create a new role and pretend we're building it from scratch so we can have something done in this account as if it was a different user. So we create an empty role and we make sure it's empty. There is nothing there. We grant ourselves this role, but we are still acting as an account admin here. And for us to be able to query this, invoke this function, we would need to get ourselves some grants for the underlying elements. As such, we need a warehouse, well, to run on something, database, schema, and a usage on agent. Those things will give you access to the agent, and at this stage, you can already run the command. So reminding you how it looks if I'm running as an account admin, precisely like this. Now I'm going to switch to the empty role. I'm going to use the warehouse which I have. And if I now query, invoke the same function, this is what I have. And honestly, I would not expect this. The reason for it being that if I use the account admin role, I know for a fact that I can query the function without data in it. And that's exactly what happened to me at work. I was querying the table with my account, which was having a permission in place. But when I transferred my model into dbt, precisely this situation occurred. And there was no incremental rows because after my initial load, dbt wasn't returning, and the dbt wasn't getting any rows because the function returns no result, while in my mind it should probably fail. So can someone let me know? You let me know, please, if you're watching this. What do you think should happen? Because I can tell you for sure how I fix it. Now, the big drum roll, it's going to be a short video. To fix it, I granted a monitor on agent to the empty role, which wasn't obvious to me from the beginning. And then, as I'm using the empty role again, from this moment on, I have the data returned. I so much am happy that this is a short video because I spent a day doing this and I am still not sure how I feel about it. I would rather get an error at this stage specifically because my dbt was running successfully, and a lot of automations would rely on error at this stage if no permission exists, but I wasn't getting it. So let me know what you think about it, because I'm so glad I figured it out. I'm glad that you folks now know. And well, next time we'll make sure that we can build something of these logs. So thanks for watching and see you next time.